How to add character AI to Discord. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the character AI to Discord, go ahead and launch a character AI app first and foremost. Now, it will take some simple steps to add a character AI to your Discord. So over here, make sure you are logged in into your character AI account. After that, select on the character that you wish to share or add into your Discord. Next step is to press and hold onto the character and tap on Share Character. Then tap on the Copy button. After which, go ahead and open your Discord and the server in which you want to add the character. Now right over here, just paste the character and give it a share. This is how you'll be able to add the character AI to your Discord. It is a simple step, so go ahead and do so. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can reach out to the help and support of either of the character AI or Discord. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.